how to save document from WhatsApp on phone. So if you want to save a document from WhatsApp on your phone, then what you need to do is first open up your WhatsApp application. After opening your WhatsApp, go with a chat in which you have your document. Once you have your document, now you need to tap on the document and it will take it to this kind of interface. Now you just need simply tap on copy to and then go with a folder, or you can also create a new folder. So I'll just simply go with more, which is on the bottom, and go with create folder, and I'll go with document 7. Tap on OK, select the document 7, paste it, and that's it. Now you can just go back, open up your file manager or open up your files, and you will have your image right here. That's it. That's how you can save document from WhatsApp on your phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.